Your lifestyle includes great diet, great food, a lot of fruits, and also a lot of good sports.
Yes.
Could you share some of your daily routines, daily habits, good daily habits, morning,
Sure.
midday with us?
When I was a teenager, I hurt my back rather severely, and since I was in my late teens, I've had back problems. They eventually all but crippled me, and I spent several years on a couch, barely able to function most of the time on the couch. A friend of mine his father hurt his back, and I went over to my friend's house one day, and his father had got over the back problem. It was history. It was over for like a year. And I happened to see him doing exercises. And I asked him about the exercise. He said, well, these are the exercises my doctor gave me for my back. And I said, but I thought your back problem was over a long time ago. He goes, oh yes, it is. I never want to have it again. And that something clicked, and I started doing in 1989, I started doing abdominal exercises every morning before I get out of bed. Just what they call like a little crunch. Just tighten the abdomen. And I do some of those every morning before I get out of bed to this day. Because I never want to have a back problem again. Not because I have one. My back's great. But I don't want to have a problem. So I keep my abdominal muscles strong. And I find that's helped me a lot. For many years, I used to get up and I'd take a run first thing in the morning. I'd just get up and run. 2 miles, 3 miles, 5 miles, 10K, just whatever. I've run some marathons, a few ultras even, but I eventually sort of moved away from running, and then I got a dog, and now I'm back to running every morning because I take the dog for a run. So I take the dog for a run, and we have some fun, and we just go as far as we go, and I'm just having fun doing it because I want to be able to run. I don't compete. I just like to be able to run. About 3 years ago, I started getting interested in strength training as well. This is something I've never done my entire life. And I said, you know what, it'd be really nice to incorporate a bit of strength training, find out what it is. It's something I've never done. So I started to pursue that and found that I rather enjoyed it. And so I've continued with strength training, and at least a few times a week, 2, 3, sometimes more, I will do an hour or so of strength training. I'm big on fitness, but I don't spend a lot of time at it. I would say in the average year, if I average an hour a day, it's pretty good. If I get much more than an hour a day, it's a real treat. It's a luxury. I sit at a computer all day and type, and so getting some physical activity to me helps me stay sane. Pretty much if it's a game and you're willing to play with me, I'll play. Any physical game. I don't care what the game. I like to play. But I've been enjoying my strength training. I enjoy my running. And these are things I can just do rather than needing a partner to play tennis or needing a team to play football. I can just go do them on my own, and I enjoy them.
Thank you very much.